Hi friends, welcome to Civil Info. So in this video we are going to see what are the latest top 5 technologies are available in civil engineering field. This video will be so more informative to you, so don't skip this video. So let us see friends, what are the latest technologies are available. Let's go guys. So before that we are planning a giveaway guys, a brand new Realme 5 Pro. So if you want to participate in this contest, please subscribe our channel and click bell button, share this video to 10 WhatsApp group, and don't forget to comment your contact details like WhatsApp number or email ID. It is very important, so don't forget to give that. We will choose a random subscriber through the software. If you do everything in a correct manner, then only you have more chance to win. So I will announce about the winner on August 30 through YouTube video. So let us go into the video guys. In this video, fifth place is for permeable roads. So permeable roads are nothing, it's made by permeable concrete. So permeable concrete is also called as pervious concrete. So it is nothing but it is a special type of concrete with a high porosity used for concrete flatwork applications that allows water from precipitations and other sources to pass directly through, thereby reducing the runoff from a site and allowing groundwater recharge. So pervious concrete is made using large aggregates with little to no fine aggregates. So parking areas and areas with light traffic residential street we can use it. So fourth place is for kinetic footfall or kinetic roads is a new source of electricity which capture the energy from human footfall to generate electrical energy. The electrical energy or electricity plays a very important role in almost all industries, especially in the housing sector. It is a necessary element in construction, completing and maintenance of a building. There are many sources are available to generate electricity. Few popular sources are nuclear power, hydropower, solar energy, fossil fuels, etc. 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 Some of these expensive to extract electricity, and also they largely contribute pollutants to environment pollution. So we need a source to generate the electrical energy economically and it should not impact the environment. So we are thinking that it will fulfill the requirement of electricity in the future. So in third place, BIM or building information modeling. So it is nothing but friends, it is a advanced 3D modeling, or we can say that advanced method of AutoCAD, like that we can say. So what is BIM? It's a process of supported by various tools, technologies and contracts involving generation and management of digital representation of a physical and functional characteristics of places. So building information models or computer files which can be extracted, exchanged or networked to support decisions making regarding a built asset. So BIM software is used by individuals, business and government agencies who plan, design, construct, operate and maintain buildings and diverse physical infrastructures. So such as water, refuses, electricity, gas, communication utilities, roads, railways, bridges, ports and tunnels, so etc. So in second place, self-healing concrete or bacterial concrete. So it is very simple friends, is a product that will biologically produce limestones to heal cracks that appear on the surface of the concrete structures. These self-healing agents can lie dormant within the concrete for up to 200 years. So is working on a very simple method. The working principle is, when the mixing we have to add bacteria. Once the concrete head get harder, that bacteria will be in rest mode. If crack happened, that bacteria will get automatically activated and it will produce limestone on the cracks. So it will fill with the cracks by limestone. So after the crack completed, by filling the limestone, the bacteria will get in deactivate mode. So that's all. It's called biological concrete or self healing concrete. So in first place, 3D printing. So it is the most advanced technology in civil engineering field friends. So it is nothing but it is transferring an image into a 3D surface is called 3D printing. So 3D printing or additive manufacturing is the construction of three-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. The term 3D printing can refer to a variety of processes in which material is joined or solidified under computer control to create a three-dimensional object, with the material being added together, such as liquid molecules or powder grains being fused together, typically layer by layer, is called 3D printing. So that's all, friends. It is the most advanced technology. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe our channel. Don't forget to press the bell button. Share this video to your friends. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.